Yo, what's up traders? Welcome to a new video. So in this video, I'll be going over how to use the measure tool for pips and risk reward ratio trades in TradingView. Okay, so this is TradingView. It's free to use. However, if you want to use more features, more advanced features, then you can always upgrade. Just check out the link down below for a $15 off coupon. But okay, over here, this is the chart. And let me see, we go to the left and we see over here the measure tool, right? And let's say that I want to measure this drop. I click on the lowest point, the highest point. Over here I see that it is about 321 pips. So yeah, that's a lot, right? And over here, let me see, this was about 200 pips. And if you look at the right side, we see 0.72 and we see the lowest point is 0.70. So yeah, that also shows that there was a 200 pip move. So that is really simple. But if you wanna take a buy trade, for example, and want to see, okay, how many pips do I gain? So over here we have a support zone, right? Here we have a latest high. This is, let me draw it right over here. This our support, this our resistance, this our support. Again, a retest with the support zone. Then I click on long position. I see an engulfing candle over here, and let's say I want to take a buy position, right? I put our stop loss, let's say a few pips below the zone. And over here, let's say it's a 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio trade, right? Over here we see 1.5. So that means I risk 1%, let's say 1%, and I gain 1.5%. And over here we see it's about 260 pips and I risk 173 pips. Then I see price, what did it do? And we see that finally price reaches our target. So that's it over here. And it's really simple. If I want to place a short position, I just click on short, and for a sell trade, for example, here it's basically the same but then the opposite, right? You understand what I mean? So yeah, that's it basically. It's really simple. This is how you use the measure tool for pips, and how you can use the tools to identify the risk reward ratio trades. Again, over here measure tool, and over here we have the long position or the short position tool. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.